Remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Today, we are introducing the 1/64 Mini GTX Kaidohouse HKS Super Oil Nissan GTR R33 model car. This car features a wide body with wide fenders, the iconic HKS livery, and green front and rear lights. Although the car has a wide body, it still moves smoothly. All the graphics on the car are not water transfers but printed directly on. The car can also open the hood, showcasing a super detailed engine and strut bar, with even the stickers printed inside the engine compartment. Additionally, we have a chase car for you. There's only one chase car per box, and what's special about it is that it comes without any color. It's coated with gloss and then has the livery applied directly. If you manage to get one, you might not want to let it go. If you want to buy a chase car, it won't be less than $300 to $400 HK. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you want to buy model cars, be sure to check out Mobile Garage. We also have Facebook and Instagram, so don't forget to hit the notification bell and subscribe to us.